In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to use Cameo in PowerPoint to add your live camera feed directly onto your slides. This is perfect for presentations, online classes, recorded tutorials, or meetings where you want your audience to see both your content and your face at the same time. By the end of this video, you'll know how to insert Cameo, customize it, crop it, and fully format it to match your slide design. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy PowerPoint guides. Now, let's get started. First, open PowerPoint and load the presentation where you want to add your camera feed. You can use an existing presentation or start with a blank slide. Once you're inside your presentation, go to the top menu and click on the Insert tab. This is where you'll find all the elements you can add to your slides, including images, videos, shapes, and of course, Cameo. Inside the Insert tab, look for the Cameo option. Click on Cameo, and PowerPoint will automatically insert a live camera placeholder directly onto your slide. As soon as you add it, your default camera will activate, and you'll see yourself appear inside a frame on the slide. You can click on the Cameo object to select it, and then drag it to reposition it anywhere you want on the slide. You can also resize it by dragging the corner handles, just like you would with an image or shape. Now let's customize the appearance. With the Cameo selected, click on Camera Style. This allows you to quickly apply built-in visual styles to your camera frame. You can choose different shapes, soft edges, reflections, or preset designs to better match your presentation theme. If you want more precise control over how your camera appears, click on Crop. This lets you adjust how your camera feed is framed. You can crop tighter around your face or adjust the aspect ratio depending on your layout. Once you're happy with the framing, click outside the crop area to apply the changes. Next, go to the Camera Format tab that appears when the Cameo is selected. This tab gives you advanced formatting options. From here, click on Camera Border if you want to add a border around your video feed. You can choose a color that matches your brand or slide theme. After selecting a border color, you can adjust the width to make the border thicker or thinner depending on the look you want. A thicker border can make your camera stand out more, while a thinner border gives a cleaner, minimal look. You can also adjust the height and overall size of the Cameo frame to make sure it fits perfectly within your slide layout. Resize it carefully so it doesn't block important text or visuals. The goal is to enhance your presentation, not distract from it. Once everything is set up, you're ready to present or record your slideshow with your live camera embedded directly into the slides. This creates a more engaging and professional experience for your viewers, especially for virtual presentations or recorded lessons. And that's how you use Cameo in PowerPoint step by step. It's a powerful feature that makes your presentations more interactive and personal. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more PowerPoint tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.